Hey everyone! If you're excited to get your LLC up and running in Kentucky, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through 6 essential steps to set up your Kentucky LLC the right way. And it only takes a few minutes. Plus, we've got pro tips to help you avoid scams and headaches along the way. Step 1. Choose a name. Let's kick things off with one of the most exciting steps, naming your LLC. While it's fun, it's also the #1 reason filings get rejected. Here are the 3 rules for naming your LLC in Kentucky. Your name must include limited liability company, limited company, or abbreviations like LLC, LC, LTD, or Co. It must be unique, not the same as any existing business on record in Kentucky. You can reserve a name for 120 days for just $15 if you're not ready to file yet. Check name availability on the Kentucky Secretary of State website. Once you find a good name, it's smart to grab the matching domain, email, and social handles while you're at it. Step 2. Select a registered agent. Kentucky requires you to appoint a registered agent, someone to receive legal paperwork on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a Kentucky street address, be available during business hours, 9 to 5. This can be you, a trusted friend, your attorney, or a service provider. Just know that their name and address become public record. Here's where FilingFox.com comes in. When you form your LLC with FilingFox, you get 1 full year of registered agent service completely free. After that, it's just a low monthly fee. Known for transparent pricing, reliable support, secure document handling. To get started, email info@filingfox.com and we'll guide you through everything. Step 3. File your certificate of organization. This is the legal step that creates your LLC with the state. You'll submit the Certificate of Organization to the Kentucky Secretary of State. It includes your LLC name, registered agent info, mailing address. Whether it's member-managed or manager-managed, signatures of organizers and the registered agent you can file online via Kentucky Business One Stop or Fast Track by mail or in person at the Secretary of State's office. Fee, $40 if mailing. Also send a copy to your county clerk. If your LLC was formed in another state but you're doing business in Kentucky, you'll file for a certificate of authority instead. That filing is $90. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement isn't required in Kentucky, but we strongly recommend it. It sets expectations for member roles and rules, helps prevent internal disputes, is often required by banks and lenders. Even if you're the only member, it helps establish that your LLC is legit and structured. FilingFox offers a free downloadable template to make this simple. Just visit the website or email info@filingfox.com for a copy. Step 5. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Next, get your EIN from the IRS. It's like a social security number for your business. It's required if your LLC has more than 1 member, you plan to hire employees, you want to open a business bank account. Step 6. File your BOI report. As of 2025, new federal rules require most LLCs to submit a beneficial ownership information BOI report to FinCEN, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. You'll report full legal names, addresses, birth dates, ID numbers. Failure to file? Up to $591 per day in penalties or even jail time if you submit false info. Yikes. But don't worry. FilingFox.com has a free guide to walk you through it. Just email info@filingfox.com and we'll send it over. Post-formation checklist, congrats. Your Kentucky LLC is official. Here's what to handle next. File your annual report with the Kentucky SOS, January 1st, June 30th each year. Open a separate business bank account. Avoid commingling business and personal funds. Start building business credit. Get business insurance, especially if required in your industry. Why use FilingFox? A service like FilingFox.com can save you time, money, and headaches. For just $40 state fees, we'll handle everything: filings, agent services, EIN, compliance reminders, and more. And the support team is available for any questions you can't find on Google. Ready to get started? Email info@filingfox.com and let us handle the hard stuff while you focus on growing your business. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have questions. We'll see you in the next one.